Cutting battery cable can be problematical. Is there actually a way of doing it easily and above all neatly? Well, there is now. This new cable cutter from LaserTools will snip through up to 70mm squared cable quickly and cleanly. And removing the insulation is just as easy. The glass fiber reinforced nylon handles also include a handy insulated terminal crimper, which makes very neat crimps. Cut thin cable. Cut thicker cable. Cut battery cable. It's all just as easy, and the result is a professional cut. Available now from your LaserTools stockist.